For the love of perfection and timeless beauty, our premium leather cream will preserve your leather bag for years to come. With time, high-grade leather products hold the potential to age into a magnificent work of art if they receive the proper care. That's why we've crafted our handmade premium leather cream, a special formula designed to protect, enhance shine, and effortlessly remove occasional scratches, turning each mark into a unique chapter in your bag's evolving story. Gently apply the leather cream and watch as your bag turns from dull to like new before your eyes. Infused with natural Estonian beeswax, it coats your bag in unmatched protection. Enriched with coconut oil, our cream protects the leather while preserving the luxurious texture. And delicately touched with fine olive oil, it revitalizes and maintains the smoothness of the leather, ensuring it retains its timeless charm. Keep your leather bag looking great for a lifetime with Baer's handmade premium leather cream. Try it yourself today and give your leather bag the love it truly deserves.